In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit multiple tasks at once in Asana. If you manage projects in Asana, batch editing can save you a ton of clicks. We'll walk through how to select several tasks together, then update their section, due date, assignee, and even mark them complete, all in one go. Start by opening the project where your tasks live. Make sure you can see the list of tasks you want to change. Once you're there, click one task to set your starting point. Now, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click another task to create a range. Everything between your first and second click will be highlighted. You'll know it worked when you see the tasks shaded and a bulk action toolbar appear at the top of the list. If you only need a few specific tasks, you can Shift-click to add them to the selection one by one, keeping an eye on which rows are highlighted. With your task selected, look for the option to move tasks between groups or sections in your project. This icon lives in the toolbar above the list when multiple tasks are selected. Click it, then choose the section you want. This is perfect for quickly reorganizing work, for example, moving a backlog of items into In Progress or Ready to Review. Next, let's adjust due dates. In the same bulk toolbar, open the Date control and choose Due Today. Asana will apply that due date to every highlighted task at once. This is handy for quick triage when you need to pull several items into today's plan. You can always fine-tune individual dates later if needed. You can also assign the selected tasks. Click the Assignee control in the bulk bar, then pick the teammate you want from your member list. As soon as you confirm, all selected tasks will be assigned to that person, and they'll get notified according to their Asana settings. If you're taking ownership, just choose yourself. For wrap-up actions, open the three dots menu, the More Actions menu, on the bulk toolbar. From there, select Mark Complete. Every highlighted task will be completed in a single click, which is great for closing out a batch of finished items. If you make a mistake, look for the Undo prompt that appears briefly in Asana, so you can quickly reverse the change. That's it. Select with Shift, then use the bulk toolbar to move tasks between groups, set Due Today, assign to a teammate, or mark them complete. With these bulk edits, you'll keep your projects tidy and your team moving without repetitive, task-by-task updates.